Hey everybody, welcome back to Building with Bufus. So it's been a while and been really busy going around here. A lot of stuff going on. As you notice, we've got a lot of shorts that I've posted that shows a lot of these little projects that I've had time for, and we really haven't had a big project yet. Just been working on some of the small stuff, a lot of sarin, things like that. So I wanted to take a few minutes today to show you guys that sarin and those short videos, and some of that pine that you saw us sarin out, and some of that hemlock and some of that other stuff, what we're actually going to be doing. And this is a big project that I've actually I brought up a couple of times in the past few months, but it's kind of been put on the back burner for quite a while actually. So figure it's time to get to it, time to get working on it. So let me show you what I got. I'll show you what's going on. You're going to see behind me here, we got some walls and some stuff standing up here, and then we got some sawn boards. So this, and I will bring you over here to show you a little bit better. This is going to be the equipment shed. So the whole purpose of this equipment shed is obviously equipment, but I'm going to be able to put all the attachments from the John Deere 3039R. Going to be putting all kinds of different stuff in here. Depends on what needs to go in here, but as you can see, it's some of this has been standing up here for a while. So honestly, I actually started this last year. And what I want to show you is, so this is all sitting on stuff that I sawed out. So you'll notice here that these are 8x8s, and I cut them, and I've got every 8 feet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 24 feet. We're 24 feet long, and we're 16 deep. So the whole purpose of that is so that with the backhoe on the trusty old John Deere, I can still back right into this and be able to shut the doors. And then we'll also be able to drive in here if necessary, put attachments over here, different places, all the different things that we need to get them out of the weather, just to prolong the life of them. So what you've noticed here, if you want to, I'll stand back here and take a look a little bit. So I got this door is going to be 10 feet wide. It's 8 foot 8 inches tall, and that is to make sure that there's enough clearance. You notice, I think I showed you guys earlier this year that I have a cab for the tractor, and with that cab on and with all the other stuff on that, it's a little over 8 feet tall. So I wanted to make sure there was enough room, because part of this build is I'm going to be building a ramp to go up in here. Now that ramp's going to be on hinges, so it can pick up out of the way, so that I can easily remove the snow and all that stuff here and not have such an issue. But this is going to be like the side project. It's a fairly big project, but it's kind of my side project for now. So I thought I'd show you guys what's going on, show you what it is, and what's going to happen with it. There's a lot of different pieces and parts to this that I'm doing, and things that I'm going to do. I started thinking I was going to do one thing, and then changed it, and I'm going to be doing something else. So if you guys want to stay tuned and keep checking out what's happening here, I will keep you guys going with this project and what we're doing. So what you're going to find is, set you guys back down here. So what you're going to find is, in this project, originally I started that I was just going to build the equipment shed, and that was it, call it good. And then I decided to expand that a little bit, and I'll get to some of this probably in one of our other videos, but down the road, once we actually do it, I'm actually going to be building some beams out of these hemlock 2x8s here that I sawed out. There's some that are 1.5 inches thick and some that are 2 inches thick. I'm going to be building a beam, and I'm going to take that beam and set it on the top of the front and the rear wall, extend that out, and make so that beam comes out 10 feet past the end of this wall. And the goal of that is so that there's a place that I can put additional attachments, or if I wanted to back the tractor underneath there real quick, or the any of the other machines that we got here, or any of the other toys, so to speak, I can back them in underneath that, and it will be all covered. The trusses are going to go all the way along those beams, but it's not inside sander for the winter time. I can put that in underneath there and then back up underneath there if I want to. I put the plow underneath there, all of those things. So there's, like, you know, there's never enough storage space. So I figured I'd do that. So if you guys stay tuned, you'll see I'm going to be building these beams. We're going to set them up there on the wall. Then we're going to finish the walls, put the double top plate on. We're going to build the trusses. So all of that's going to happen. We're going to be building all of this stuff. So I'm going to design the trusses, build the trusses. We're going to have quite an overhang out over the front here to protect it from weather as well. So a lot of stuff going to happen with this project. So it may not be a project that we get to and get it all done, but I'd really like to get it done before the winter, so that a lot of the stuff that I have stashed in other places can all go here. All the attachments can go in here and around here and pile up in here, and you're just all in one central location. So that's what's happening around here. That's what's going to continue to happen. There might be some other things here and there that I show you guys, but if you guys want to hang out and see how we make out with this project, then like this video, and if you really want to see how well we do, subscribe to the channel here, and stay tuned, and we'll see how we make out with this, and we'll see if we can get this this whole building done before winter, because there's going to be a lot to do. There's going to be a lot going on here. So glad you guys stopped in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.